How can you make your home more energy and water efficient? Where do you start? The Energy and Water Agency provides in-home audits free of charge. Your house is checked and advice that is tailored specifically to your home is given. The process is simple. Either visit water.org.mt, select House Visits, fill in the online application and submit, or call 2229-2575 to set up an appointment at a time that is convenient for you. Each visit only lasts 45 minutes to an hour. So what happens during a visit? First of all, our officers will ask you a series of questions about your energy and water consumption. How many people live in the house? What sort of appliances do you have? From your kettle to the well, if you have one, to the PV panels on the roof, if you have them. How old are these appliances? Do you use them often? If necessary, appliances are even checked to establish their condition. Then we'll move on to the actual fabric of your home. Is your house well insulated? Do you have double glazed windows, underfloor heating? This is important because heating your home in winter and cooling it down in summer have a big impact on the way that you consume energy. Our officers will then ask about your water and energy consuming habits. Do you take showers or baths? How often? Do you heat your home with electric heaters? Do you have a dishwasher? Are 3 freezers really necessary when 1 large one would be enough? Once our officers have a clear picture, they can also suggest schemes that you could qualify for, such as the solar water heater schemes or home cistern restoration schemes available from the Regulator for Energy and Water Services. Our officers will also discuss your water and electricity bill with you to help you understand it better, possibly identifying errors and explaining what needs to be done to rectify them. Once the visit is done, a summary report is drawn up, outlining all that was discussed. This is sent to you at home. In certain cases, a follow-up visit can be organized, should the need arise. So as you can see, these home audits are beneficial to you, as they could help you save money on your bills, and to the environment, because they will help you use water and electricity more efficiently. And best of all, they're tailor-made to your situation, at home, because they're based on actual facts about how, where and when you use energy and water. You'd be surprised how much water and energy is wasted because we use it the way that we have been using it for years. But appliances are so much more energy and water efficient now that with the right advice, we could reduce our wastage of water and electricity considerably. All you have to do is book your appointment through water.org.nt or call on 2229-2575. Water. Be the change.
This project is part financed by the European Union under the Cohesion Fund, European Structural and Investment Funds 2014-2020.